Oh, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering what special trading system you see on your screen today. But first things first, as you know, my name is Forex, and in this channel we help people like you with trading, so you can become a profitable trader. So it would really help the channel if you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you would be the first person to know when I upload a video and I bring you a trading system that is simple as it sounds to buy and sell. But the question is how? Let's first go with the details. As you can see, I am using the 15-minute time frame, and keep in mind that this system can be used on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and can be used on the 1 hour if you want, but I recommend 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So how do this indicator work? Well, it's quite simple. The green line you see over here indicates support, and the red indicates resistance. It just simply shows that the market is moving sideways or it's choppy. And the blue diamonds tells us that the market is still going to continue to go up, or the U-trend is still strong. We usually use it to confirm to hold our trades, and tells us that we should still hold our trades. As you can see, after the blue diamond appeared, when they told us to buy, the market still continued to go up. Useful, right? This can really help you by telling you how long to hold the trade. Anyway, moving on, the arrow facing down means we should sell. I bet that was self-explanatory, and you can see after the orange arrow the market went down, and it happened again. Well, over here, the down arrow told us to sell, so we sold, and look what happened. It went down, and we are on profit. So we buy when the arrow is green, and we sell when the arrow is orange. Simple. Let me show you another example in a new chart. Now at this new chart we are using the euro versus the Great British pound, and the frame is 15 minutes like before. Green arrow means buy, so take a buy, and remember the blue diamonds means hold you trades. The orange arrow means sell. And once again, the green arrow shows here, which means buy. And that's all. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and it's all easy to follow, and you're interested in this indicator system. All you have to do is like this video. And if this video gets 300 likes, I will put a free download link in the comments below. And remember, trading is a risk, and I will not be held responsible for any losses, so please use it on a demo account to see if you like it, and then use it on a real account. How about that? So have a profitable day and stay blessed, and I will see you next time.